Hey everyone, Ammar here. So a common problem among the IELTS and TOEFL takers is that they keep going in the same loop of taking the TOEFL or the IELTS and not getting the score they want. Now my tip here is that you know what the IELTS or TOEFL is about. It's basically 75% language skills and 25% exam skills. If you just study, the strategies to deal with each one of the questions, that's important. But that's not going to get you anywhere. If you keep doing it over and over and not get the score that you want, then you're going to have to do something else. You're going to have to do something different and focus on language skills themselves. You have to strengthen yourself in structure, in grammatical structure, in the word choice. You have to increase your vocabulary. You're going to have to work on your grammar. All of those things amount to the 75%, the majority of the tests. And that's what the test is about. It's a test for your language skills.